Everybody, thanks for watching. And just a quick reminder, the strategy is now available. 2 videos that came up before this is the agenda and sole purpose. Make sure you guys see this. Talked about last video how they took down, but they basically banned me from uploading videos. So this may be new to a lot of you who haven't seen the last video on YouTube, but make sure you guys subscribe to my second channel in case this happens again. I uploaded this video on that as well, so it might show up twice, but make sure you subscribe to my second channel. The link is in the description. Make sure you guys subscribe. But there basically are those 3 new videos out. You have Full Circle, you have Sole Purpose, you have the agenda, and you have the strategy, which is the newest one. Make sure you guys see these. I don't want to say too much in this video, of course, because I don't want it to get taken down. I put my disclosure up there, so hopefully I'm safe. But you know, looking around, looking at what's taking place. Talked about this in previous videos. What's happening with the refugees? I explained to you guys what that's going to turn into, but really got to get a lot deeper into it, which is the strategy is about that. Make sure you guys see it, because I mean, you're seeing it all over social media. The Haitians trying to get into the country, and he basically not letting them in. But anybody who knows this basically goes against the Geneva Convention rules. Of course, we had for, decades and decades, Mexicans trying to cross the Rio Grande to get into the country. The problem is they can't really do that if their country is not in peril as far as like destroyed by a natural disaster or war. If it was, then under Geneva Convention rules, they should allow them to seek asylum within our country. And it's the same thing with the Haitians. The Haitians should be allowed to come in because it's a natural disaster that took place. They should be allowed to come in. Of course, I talked about on my Instagram, why they not? And I put the whole, picture up of the, Haitians been kicking their ass for a long time. And Haitian people are very smart. Every time they try to put somebody in there, you see what happens. The Haitian people don't go for the bullshit. And anytime you have anybody coming in trying to establish a system that, resembles ancient Rome or America, you should be suspect. So presidents and, the constitutions and the way the system is set up should not be allowed in any country that, we occupy. So Haitian people ain't having it. And who wants to live in conditions like that? So I can't blame the people for fleeing, but what's happening is crazy. Them showing these guys on horseback and reminiscent of slave times, how they used to get us on horses. They love jumping on fucking horses when they come to dealing with us. I hate seeing those scenes, but they're seeing them. But it's deeper than that, because we got to look at, okay, well, shit, over $3 billion on, Afghan refugees to come into the country. Not only that, they're going to train these people. So yeah, we're going to get into all this. We get into all this in the strategy because there's a lot to it. Make sure you see that video and see the other videos. Also, I know a lot of you guys hit me up about previous videos. So I put together these videos, these must-watch videos. They're in order, so you can get caught up if you're not caught up on videos you need to see that'll give you the right understanding. So make sure you take advantage of this offer. It is less than the total combined videos. It will only be up until Monday. I'm only giving this deal now. People be complaining about, cost and stuff like that. It's been times where I put videos up for $5. I put it up for $10. I put my entire library up for like $50, like $100 before. So if we didn't take advantage then, like, there's nothing I can say. I have done stuff to help with that. So to me, like I said, I know people struggling, stressing. It's not that much money, $19.99. So this is way less. So definitely take advantage if you want to get caught up on what I'm talking about. Because as I said, sole purpose, the agenda is not going to make sense if you don't see the prerequisite videos I put out, which I put these out in that order for a reason. Make sure you guys see it. But the strategy, yeah, you got to see it. And like I said, it's gonna make a lot of sense. And the stuff that we got into, but it's a lot more. So make sure you guys get that. Also, thank you to everybody who, this is how people respect you. And I really appreciate so many people that hit me up and emailed me frantically because some guy, I don't know, Russian guy or somebody pretending to be Russian, basically got my video and then he uploaded it on YouTube, which is, my stuff is copywritten. It's copywritten. It's trademarked. It's all legit. And YouTube took it down. So he basically got my video, one of the ones I sell, and he put it on YouTube, and he basically put the links in a lot of people's comments to try to get people to see the video without paying, which is some bullshit. It's just crazy. One, I didn't think YouTube's not going to let it stay up there for long anyway. But since it wasn't monetized, I don't think they really looked at it that hard. But thank you to all the people who hit me up and gave me a heads up about it. And I appreciate that respect, and that's what it's about. I appreciate people who appreciate what I do, and understand that. Yeah, I mean, it's just some things you don't mess with. You can disagree with me all you want all day long, but I'm not going to mess with anything that's personal to you, involving like how you feed your family or how you get money or what have you. Again, it's not about money. And that's the thing with people. If you look at what I put out, it's tireless work. It's a lot of stuff, a lot of effort went into it. And I was putting it out for free before. But again, like I said, when you start doing this, anybody who's editing video, it takes a long time. And it's just something I can't do because one of the things is, one, of course, YouTube don't allow it to stay up for long. And two, it's just like, no way you should do that kind of work for free. And it's just too much. But I appreciate you guys for hitting me up and letting me know. And middle finger to everybody who watched the video and didn't say nothing. So, but I understand. So it's all good. There is a lot of people waiting on the second volume for the books, for the audio books and video books. The first volume is out. Make sure if you want the audio books, the video books is out. The first 6 chapters is out. No, there isn't any more books right now. The books sell out fast. Keep trying to tell y'all, they sell out quick, and the people who we got producing them can't, print them fast enough because it's a binding, and it takes a long time. It's 8 days to do the binding. It's 8 days to take that whole process. No matter how many books I order, it's going to be 8 days for them to do it. And we're ordering, and the storms and Corona delaying stuff. So, it's taking a while for us to get them. But when we get more books in, I will put them back up. And as I said, it's going to be on Amazon. The book is going to be on Amazon, and the 2 new books will be on Amazon. They will come out on Amazon. So you guys will see it there soon. I'm just, taking care of the business part of it right now. And Amazon tripping. They trying to rape you. So I got to be smart about it and figure out a different way. But Amazon is fast, and they can produce the book faster than the company I'm using. I'm in the process of getting another company now who can't keep up with demand. So it's a good problem to have. I want to thank you guys for supporting the book, and I appreciate it. And, all those typos that was in the first batch that went out, as I said, got corrected. And it's the reason for the audio book and the video book. And like I said, it will be a lot better on the next one. So appreciate that. But we're at a point where things are, we're coming into the winter. What's getting ready to happen. We're coming into the holiday season. We know what's getting ready to happen. These vaccination cards and everything that they have out, as I said, we got to look at how far they're willing to go with the whole thing. Are they going to make it so we can't shop for the holiday season unless you are vaccinated? Is that going to happen? We don't know. So this is stuff that, we get into, and without me getting into a whole bunch more information, and I hate even saying the name now, you can use the imagination as to how things are going to turn out for the end of the year and what's coming. And they're smart, because the reason why I think they're going to do this, now they had already, if you know today, for people who've been following, I talk about, because I invest in all this stuff, Xbox and PlayStation, Best Buy had already released. If you missed it, yeah, it's gone. But they released new PlayStations and Xboxes. So most of the stores around the country had their stores. They got I think only between 30 and 300, depends on where you at. That's it for the entire store, and then it was gone. But they're going to restock. They supposedly going to restock it before Black Friday, but I think Walmart is going to be who's going to want it first, who's going to do it first, who's going to implement this whole vaccination card to get into the store first. And it seems like it's something that they would do around that time. So watch out for that. It's just something that we talk about in video and a lot more. So I know y'all like it's in another video. It's a lot that I'm putting out because it's a lot that's going on. But as I said in the video, if it turns out to be a lot more videos, I'll just wait and put them all out at the same time. If I can, if I have the time. It's a lot of stuff going on personally I got to take care of business-wise as well. So appreciate you guys' support. It's a lot. It's a lot coming. So, of course, Celestial, you guys probably know. Big Celestial stuff coming up. And, yeah, it's a lot. So we got to see what's going to happen with that and see how the rest of this year is going to go. Because once October hit, the rest of the year just go. You hit Halloween, and then you got Thanksgiving and Black Friday, Christmas, and it's just school break. It's a lot. Then a winter on top of that. And I feel like they're going to act a fool with this thing come winter time. So we got to be prepared. But thank you guys for watching. See you next video.